This is the video lesson for the definition of power. The learning target for this lesson is I am learning to define power by identifying its formula and the correct units used to measure it. The success criteria for this lesson are I can define power, I can identify the formula for power, and I can identify the correct units for power. So what is power? So we can use, it's a physics term, but it's similar to our usual way of using the word. So we usually use the word power to mean how much power our vehicles have, how much they can, how much a truck can pull, how much electricity something uses, so how much power does a toaster use, or a hairdryer, for example. And that's similar to how we use the physics term. So in physics, power is how much work is done over a period of time. So remember, work is a force being applied to an object to move that object. So power then is how much is the force applied to an object and moving that object over a period of time. So power is a rate, similar to how velocity is a rate or acceleration is a rate, right? So velocity is the change of distance over time. So it's a rate, how much distance is covered over a period of time. And acceleration is a rate as well, the change of velocity over time. So how much velocity changes over a period of time. Well, power is similar. Power is how much work changes over a period of time. And power is a scalar quantity, meaning all we need to know about power is the magnitude of power, how much change of work happens over a period of time. There's no directionality attached to power. So the formula for power is P equals W over T, where P equals power, W equals work, and T equals time, of course. So what are the units for power? So again, the formula for power is P equals W over T. So the units for work are joules in J, and the units for time are seconds, or S. So joules over seconds are equal to the units watts, and that's a W. So the standard units for power is going to be the watt, or watts. And if you've looked at an electricity bill before, you may have seen the term kilowatts. That's thousands of watts, or megawatts. If you think about a hydroelectric dam or a gas-fired power plant or a nuclear plant, those power plants are usually measured in kilowatts or megawatts. That's millions of watts. So you've probably seen the term watts before, and that's how we measure power. All right, everybody, go out there and keep asking questions. It's how you learn new things.